Mastering the phrase, at an early hour. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we're delving into a phrase that's as simple as the dawn, at an early hour. Understanding this phrase is not just about the words, but the context and culture wrapped within them. Get ready to explore and master this common yet pivotal expression in the English language. At an early hour refers to doing something during the early parts of the day, typically before the usual busy hours. It's not just about time. It's about what that time represents. Quietness, the start of something, or being ahead of others. Think of it as a peaceful beginning before the world wakes up and rushes into the day. Let's dissect at an early hour. This preposition indicates a specific time. An early. This specifies that the time is towards the beginning of a period, not late. Hour. This is a unit of time. But here, it's more about a moment in the day than exactly 60 minutes. At an early hour is versatile. Use it when you want to. Highlight punctuality or someone being an early bird. Set a serene, calm scene in storytelling. Suggest productivity or getting a head start on the day. Examples in sentences. She wakes up at an early hour to meditate. The market bustles even at an early hour. Understanding at an early hour goes beyond its dictionary definition. It's tied to values like diligence and the tranquility of morning routines. In literature, it often sets a scene of peace or the beginning of a journey. It's a phrase that's simple yet rich in context. That's a wrap on at an early hour. Embracing this phrase is not just about adding words to your vocabulary. It's about understanding the quiet power of early moments. Use it to enrich your conversations, writing, or even your own morning reflections. Until our next linguistic adventure, keep exploring the depths of English, one phrase at a time.